Welcome back to the channel, and today we're checking out the all-new 2027 Ford Ranger pickup. Before you think this is just another midsize truck, wait until you hear what Ford has done. Could this be the smartest pickup for people who want lower running costs, excellent durability, and strong resale value without paying full-size truck money? Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether the new Ranger is the hidden value champion that many buyers have been waiting for. The 2027 Ford Ranger continues to build on its reputation as one of America's most practical pickups. It offers the right balance between everyday comfort and serious work capability. Whether you're a small business owner, a weekend adventurer, or someone who simply needs a dependable truck for daily driving, the Ranger is designed to handle almost everything without becoming expensive to own. Let's start with pricing because that's one of the biggest reasons buyers look at the Ranger. In the United States, experts expect the 2027 Ford Ranger to start at around $36,000, while higher trims could reach around $55,000 depending on equipment. In Japan, imported models may cost approximately 5.8 to 8.5 million yen after taxes and import fees. In other American export markets and the Middle East, prices are expected to remain competitive compared to other mid-size pickups, making it an attractive option for buyers looking for value. One of the biggest advantages of the Ranger is fuel economy. Nobody wants a truck that spends all its time at the gas station. Depending on the engine and drivetrain, drivers can expect around 22 to 28 miles per gallon in mixed driving. That makes it a practical choice for people who drive long distances every week. If Ford expands hybrid technology for more Ranger models, owners could enjoy even greater fuel savings during city driving where hybrid systems perform their best. Less fuel consumption means more money staying in your pocket every month. Maintenance costs are another area where the Ranger performs well. Ford has a massive dealership and service network across America, making repairs simple and convenient. Routine maintenance like oil changes, brake service, and tire replacement is generally affordable compared to many premium trucks. Spare parts are easy to find almost everywhere in the United States, reducing repair delays and keeping service costs under control. This is especially important for business owners who depend on their vehicles every day. Long-term ownership is where the Ranger becomes even more attractive. A pickup isn't just about the purchase price. You also have to think about years of ownership. The Ranger has earned a reputation for durability, meaning many owners keep their trucks for hundreds of thousands of miles with regular maintenance. Lower repair costs combined with good fuel efficiency help reduce total ownership expenses over time. Resale value is another strong point. Ford pickups have always remained popular in the used vehicle market, and the Ranger is no exception. Strong demand helps owners recover more of their investment when it's time to sell or trade in. Lower depreciation means you're losing less money compared to many vehicles that drop in value much faster. Insurance costs are also reasonable for most buyers. While exact premiums depend on your driving record, location, and coverage level, the Ranger generally sits in a comfortable range for mid-size pickup buyers. Because it's widely available and parts are easy to source, repair costs often remain manageable, helping insurance companies keep premiums competitive. Now let's talk about everyday driving. One of the reasons people love the Ranger is how easy it feels in the city. Unlike large full-size pickups, it doesn't feel oversized when driving through busy streets or parking in shopping centers. The steering feels light, visibility is excellent, and the truck is much easier to maneuver than larger work trucks. Even in narrow streets or crowded parking lots, the Ranger remains comfortable and confidence-inspiring. On the highway, the Ranger becomes an excellent long-distance companion. The cabin is quiet enough for conversations, the seats are comfortable, and the suspension provides a smooth ride over rough pavement. Highway stability is impressive, even when carrying cargo or towing a trailer. Drivers can enjoy long road trips without feeling exhausted, making it suitable for both family travel and commercial transportation. Load carrying is another area where this truck shines. Whether you're transporting construction materials, delivery equipment, tools, motorcycles, camping gear, or business supplies, the Ranger offers a practical cargo bed and impressive payload capability. For small businesses and logistics users, this versatility means one vehicle can handle both work during the week and recreation on weekends. Technology also makes daily ownership easier. Buyers can expect a large touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, advanced driver assistance systems, multiple cameras for easier parking, adaptive cruise control, and useful towing assistance features. These technologies improve convenience without making the truck difficult to operate. When comparing the Ranger with the Chevrolet Colorado, both trucks offer excellent capability. However, the Ranger stands out by delivering a strong balance of fuel economy, ownership costs, resale value, and nationwide service support. For buyers who prioritize long-term savings instead of maximum horsepower, the Ford Ranger becomes a very smart investment. Another reason the Ranger works so well is its flexibility. It feels comfortable enough for family use while remaining tough enough for commercial work. That's something many buyers appreciate because they don't need separate vehicles for business and personal driving. One truck can do almost everything. For export buyers in Japan and the Middle East, the Ranger also makes a lot of sense. Its manageable size is easier to drive through tighter urban areas than many full-size American pickups, while still offering excellent cargo capacity and towing performance. This combination makes it attractive for buyers who need capability without excessive size. At the end of the day, the 2027 Ford Ranger proves that you don't need the biggest truck to get outstanding value. You get competitive pricing, excellent fuel efficiency, affordable maintenance, dependable reliability, strong resale value, reasonable insurance costs, and practical everyday usability. Whether you're buying your first pickup, expanding your business fleet, or replacing an older truck, the Ranger deserves a place at the top of your shopping list. So, what do you think about the all-new 2027 Ford Ranger? Is this the perfect balance between affordability, durability, and everyday practicality, or would you choose another mid-size pickup instead? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest car reviews, pickup comparisons, and automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.